Hi, and welcome back to Money and Margarita's date night series. So if you haven't already, go ahead and get your margarita or your mocktail and find a comfy spot for you and your partner and get ready for this week's question. What auto subscriptions do you have that are billing you every month? That's the question for this week. Go. Okay, so how'd that go? Did you guys each have monthly subscriptions that you are automatically being auto-debited for or automatically charged for in your credit card? Most likely, yes. So what I'd love to do now is literally just take a list of everything that you guys have that is auto-debit and have the conversation, are any of these things that I no longer need or that I forgot I even signed up for that are costing me money every month without me even thinking about it. Most people have subscriptions that they sign up for with good intent and then they never cancel. They're past the window. I myself have done that where I think I might be signing up for something that's a free trial, and then it takes me 4 months to notice that I've been billed 3 times. So this is just an exercise to really evaluate and do a check on what you have. And the action that's required is see if you can cancel at least one, but as many as you can, and actually move that money instead, since you are already not missing it, move that over into savings or investing. Okay, so one way you can check if you have an iPhone what auto subscriptions you have associated with your Apple ID is to, from your phone, just click on Settings. Once you find Settings, click on your name, and then there will be something that says Subscriptions, and click on that. Once you click on the subscriptions, you'll see a screen that looks like this, and it'll actually show you everything that you have signed up for that is a subscription, that is active, or that you've canceled. So this is a good place to start if you're not sure, and you can check at least here as the starting place. So hope you enjoyed this and have a great night.